Today, we're talking about a growing health concern: respiratory issues caused by asthma and pollution. Dirty air, dust, and smoke irritate the lungs, making breathing difficult and causing cough, wheezing, and breathlessness. For children, older adults, and asthma patients, pollution can trigger sudden and dangerous attacks. But these problems can be controlled. Wear a mask during high pollution. Keep your home dust-free. Avoid smoking completely. Take steam inhalation to clear the airways. Use an air purifier if needed. And never skip your asthma inhaler or medicines. Simple habits can protect your lungs. Breathe clean, stay safe, and take care of your health.